Nom 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 nom.
It's the broccoli face.
Broccoli face.
You like rice? Rice tastes good.
I like your little broccoli beard.
Oh, it's delicious. Oh, it's so good. I can't sit still.
Got a handful of broccoli? Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Oh, where did that piece go? You'd like me to get some actually into your face? Doing good. That one went.
Mmm.
Do you like that? Likes broccoli. You want more? Got a whole handful there. It's all squished. Broccoli face. Oh, good job. You do it yourself? There you go. Good job, Leah. I think you need to swallow that. You got a whole mouthful. I don't like it when she does that. Mouthful of food and inhales. Where'd it go? Trying to escape. Oh yes, broccoli on your head.
That's where that goes.
Oh, bless you. That was funny. There's some sticky rice. Oh, that rice is sticky. That rice sticky? Look at that. It won't come off. How are you going to swallow that? Here, you eat that. What do you think about that? Num num num? It's pretty sticky stuff. You could glue things with that. Yay. Okay, is it time for baby food?
Yay.
Yay.
It was
did a
good
good
rice
job.
and broccoli.
Yes. Can you clap, clap, clap?
Both
Yeah,
hands.
both hands.
Don't use your face to clap.
Good job.
There it is.
Yay.
There it is.
And squish.
Okay.
All right.
And let's get the hose on you. Leah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Leah. Bye-bye. Give us a big smile. Big
Big
smile.
smile.
Big smile, baby girl. Yeah.